Hey everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. And how do you feel about some dipping dishes? If you didn't think you needed them, you do. I'm going to show you a million different ways that you can use them, but you're going to receive, stay there, I'm going to bring them all into the picture, 8 of our 4-ounce hand-painted dipping dishes. Look how great these are. Love the silhouette here. This is actually our Whimsy characters. You have the beautiful C9 bulbs on the outside. You're gonna get 2 of our snowman if you're picking up Whimsy. You're gonna get 2 of Wimbly, our adorable reindeer. You're going to receive 2 of course, our sweet little gumdrop, our gingerbread man. Not my gumdrop button. And last but not least, you're gonna receive 2 of Penny, our penguin. So 8 total. We have Whimsy, we have Pawfetti, we have Snowflake, we have our reindeer, we have poinsettia, and we have a beautiful charcuterie board that I'm telling you makes it foolproof. So if you're always intimidated, how do I put together a meat and cheese board? Where do I put everything? Now you have compartments for everything, whether it be your salami, whether it be that beautiful mustard, that whole grain mustard, your cheeses. I love the fact that you have that depth there so you can stack those cheeses right inside. We have rolled up meats in the back. So again, different ways that you can use them. And you layer these 8 dipping dishes in there and you have set a perfect table. How stinking cute are the Pawfetti? So again, I love the fact that you have that red and the black and all of those details. And remember, less than $2.50 a piece for not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, for 8. That's right. Ooh, good thing I got a workout in. Look at that. 8 dipping dishes that you can use together or separately. And I love the fact that they take up little space. They're their same stoneware that you love. So oven safe up to 500 degrees, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, and microwave. And how about a little crafty time with the kids? We want to go ahead and decorate some cupcakes. I love the fact that you can have chocolate icing. You can have vanilla icing. You can have so much fun and then put all of the little sprinkles or jimmies, whatever you call them, into the other dipping dishes, and then everybody can kind of help themselves. So whether it's something that you're just doing super cute and super easy with the kids, or just making your holiday decorating, these could be cookies and cupcakes and all of that fun stuff. Look how easy everything's all out. I can see where everything is. Yes, I'm eating this one as soon as we're finished. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some sprinkles on. I don't know why Lisa's laughing at me. I'll have to find out after the fact. But yes, this is what's so fun about these. Okay, and then follow me over here, because we did, instead of a charcuterie board, a meat and cheese, how about a dessert board? How cute is this? So I love the fact that you have all of those candies here. You have that, the Hershey Kisses here, everything here, and you can literally lay everything out, and now you have that candy board. So that's what we love about these. That's why we've made it a Tara's must-have. Where can you find it? It's over at temp-tations.com. You're getting all 8. Less than $20, less than $2.50 a piece, and you can do so many things with these. These are, if you've never tried Temp-Tations before, this is a great way to get started. If you've already been collecting for the 20 years that we've been sharing this amazing brand, then these are perfect to layer into some of the pieces that you've already been collecting. What we brought in is what we brought in for the season. So if you want holiday, we have our Whimsy, we have our poinsettia, and we have our reindeer. We also have our snowflake, and then we have our everyday in our Pawfetti. But you can check out all the patterns over at temp-tations.com and get this as well.